Do you want an interior that truly reflects your personality but don't know where to start? Today, let's explore how to define your decorating style based on who you really are. First, the creative soul. You love art, originality, and breaking the rules. Your ideal decor? A colorful, eclectic space with unique pieces. Dare to mix patterns, textures, and vibrant hues. Hang up your own creations, play with asymmetry, and create a home that inspires you daily. A creative space is not just about aesthetics, it's about energy and inspiration. Incorporate open shelving to display your artwork and unique finds. Consider a gallery wall where you can showcase evolving pieces. Lighting plays a crucial role. Opt for warm ambient lights combined with statement lamps that double as art pieces. Your furniture should also reflect your personality. Think repurposed, DIY, or bold design elements. Adding handmade items, such as ceramic vases, embroidered cushions, or painted furniture, makes the space feel truly yours. Next, the minimalist. You prefer simplicity, order, and functionality. Your perfect interior? A sleek, decluttered space with neutral tones and clean lines. Invest in quality furniture, keep only what you need, and embrace the less is more philosophy to create a calming environment. Minimalism isn't about removing everything, it's about keeping what truly matters. Focus on a neutral palette with occasional subtle accents, like a single black and white artwork or a touch of greenery. Storage solutions should be sleek yet effective. Hidden compartments, floating shelves, and multifunctional furniture help maintain order. Pay attention to textures. Linen, wool, or natural would add warmth and prevent the space from feeling too sterile. The key to minimalist design is intentionality. Each object should have a purpose, whether functional or aesthetic. Now, the extrovert. You love energy, hosting, and bold statements. Your home should reflect that. Go for statement pieces, pops of color, and dynamic layouts. Open spaces, conversation starter decor, and a mix of modern and trendy elements will create a vibrant atmosphere that suits your personality. For extroverts, the living room is often the heart of the home. Opt for large, comfy seating arrangements that invite guests to gather. Choose a bold sofa, oversized art, or a funky rug as a focal point. Incorporate versatile lighting, bright for parties, dimmable for more intimate settings. Your kitchen should also be ready for hosting. An open-plan design with a stylish bar area can turn any dinner into a social event. Mirrors and reflective surfaces can make a space feel bigger and more dynamic, amplifying natural light and energy. For the introvert, you seek comfort, coziness, and a sense of retreat. Your ideal decor? A warm cocoon with soft materials, dim lighting, and natural elements. Think cozy throws, warm-toned lighting, and plush furniture to create a sanctuary where you can recharge. Creating a peaceful retreat means focusing on softness and serenity. Use layers of lighting, table lamps, fairy lights, and candles to create a warm ambience. Incorporate nature into your space through potted plants, wooden elements, or even a small indoor water fountain. A reading nook with a comfortable armchair, soft blanket, and bookshelves can become your escape corner. Choose muted tones like earth shades, blues, or greens to enhance tranquility. Minimal noise pollution is crucial. Consider thick curtains and rugs that absorb sound to maintain a peaceful atmosphere. Finally, the nostalgic. You love history, sentimental objects, and timeless charm. Your perfect home? A vintage-inspired space filled with meaningful pieces. Antique furniture, classic colors, and personalized decor that tells a story will make you feel at home. The nostalgic home is all about stories. Every piece of furniture, artwork, or decor item should carry a memory. Opt for vintage or antique pieces that have character. Think wooden chests, wrought iron bed frames, or classic armchairs. Display heirlooms or travel souvenirs to give your space a personal touch. Wallpaper or paneling can add a sense of timeless elegance, while warm, ambient lighting enhances the old-world charm. Mixing eras can also add depth. Pairing a mid-century modern chair with an antique desk creates an eclectic yet cohesive look. Mixing and matching. Not everyone fits neatly into a single category. You may be a mix of several personalities, and that's okay. The key is to blend elements harmoniously. For example, a minimalist introvert might prefer a neutral-toned, cozy space with functional storage. A creative extrovert may love bold colors but keep the layout open and inviting. Use contrast thoughtfully, pair modern furniture with vintage accessories, or mix sleek finishes with textured fabrics for balance. Final tips for personalizing your space. Experiment. Don't be afraid to try new styles and swap out pieces over time. Stay true to yourself. Trends come and go, but your personality remains. Functionality matters. Your space should not only be beautiful but also practical. Layer textures and lighting. This adds depth and creates a welcoming atmosphere. Decorate with intention. Every item should contribute to the overall feel of the space. The most important thing, trust your instincts. Your home should be a reflection of you. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more decorating tips. See you soon.